The techniques I've shown you so far have either been performed with no fader movement at all, or with the fader starting and ending in the closed position. The chirp scratch is the first technique that starts and ends with the crossfader open, and is basically a baby scratch movement on the record while using the crossfader to sharpen up the sound. So to get into position, cue your record to the beginning of the sound and have your crossfader in the open position. Step 1 of the chirp is to push the record forward, and as soon as you hear the sound, quickly close the fader. And to complete the technique, we're going to do the same thing in reverse, so pull the record back and open the crossfader. So a chirp altogether sounds like this. It's important that your hands move at exactly the same time because this technique relies on perfect coordination. Here's the chirp scratch along with all of our previous scratch techniques over a beat. So now that I've shown you how to perform the baby scratch, drops, stabs, transformer and the chirp scratch, I'd recommend that you master all of the techniques at different speeds and combine them in as many different ways as possible to create different patterns and eventually create your own style of scratching. Good luck.